In triangle DEF shown in the figure below, EG is an altitude. Angle DEF is a right angle. EF is equal to 20 centimeters. And the measure of angle EDF is 30 degrees. What is EG in centimeters? First thing you need to understand is that altitude is essentially the height. And that means that line is going straight up and down, which is important to tell us that those two angles are 90-degree angles. We need to know that to be able to solve this problem, or at least to solve it quickly. The other thing it tells us is that angle DEF is a right angle. And anytime it tells you something like that, it's the middle letter that it's actually referring to. So DEF, it's actually referring to angle E. We know that angle E is a right angle. So if you memorize your special right triangles as we had you do the week before Math Week, if you haven't gotten there yet, you will memorize all of your special right triangles later in the program. But if you have your special right triangles memorized, this question is very easy. We know that this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle based on what we memorize. And since the bigger triangle is the 30, 60, 90 triangle, we also know that this smaller triangle is a 30, 60, 90 triangle because we have that angle being 60. We know that this angle is 90, which only leaves 30 remaining. And we have memorized that a 30, 60, 90 triangle has a proportion of 1 to root 3. So since we know that this side is 20, we know they just multiplied all the sides by 10, leaving us with EG being 10 root 3. If you don't have your special right triangles memorized, you could use Pythagorean theorem to be able to solve this problem, but it would take you a lot longer to do that. And we highly recommend you go ahead and memorize your special right triangles, or just wait until later in the program when we'll do that as one of the weeks of the program.